Hello students, today we are going to start your next chapter. It's chapter 8, Reach for the Top from Beehive. It has two parts. First part is about Santosh Yadav and second part is about Maria Sharapova. Santosh Yadav, it's the autobiography, a small clipping from the autobiography of Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav is the only woman in the world to have conquered Mount Everest twice. She conquered Mount Everest twice. Born in a small village in Haryana, she was the sixth child. Actually, she was the sixth child in a family with 5 sons. She was sixth child as a daughter. Though her name Santosh stood for contentment, but she was never satisfied with her place in a traditional way of life. She studied in her village school up to the age of 16. Her parents wanted her to get married at that age. Her parents wanted her to get married at the age of 16. But she firmly declined the proposal. She denied this proposal and she wanted to study further. She left her house and got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi. She decided to meet her educational expenses by working herself. She decided that she will not take any help from her parents, but due to some circumstances, her parents agreed to bear the expenses. She went to Jaipur for higher education, where she decided to try her luck at mountaineering. She joined a course of Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. There was no looking back after that. Equipped with iron will, physical endurance, and amazing mental toughness, she proved herself and conquered Mount Everest at the age of 20. When she was 20 years old, she conquered Mount Everest. Within 12 months of that, she conquered it for the second time. She climbed Mount Everest for the second time. In recognition of her achievements, one of the top honors, the Padma Shri, was bestowed upon her by the government of India. This was the achievement of Santosh Yadav. She was given Padma Shri for her this courageous act. Not only this, she was determined enough to support the environment also. She brought down 500 kgs of garbage from the Himalayas. When she saw that Himalayas, the people, the climbers climbing Mount Everest threw some garbage around the Himalayan areas, she collected all those garbage and brought that down. This shows her concern for the environment also. She got the record books times at Mount Everest. She climbed Mount Everest twice. So she recorded her achievements in the Guinness Book for the twice. And the next part of this chapter, Reach for the Top. The next part is about Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova reacted the top position. Maria Sharapova reached the top position of women's tennis on August 22, 2005. At the age of 18, she was poor She was born in Siberia, Russia. Her father sent her to the United States for training at the age of 9. She had to stay alone as her mother could not accompany her due to her visa problem. Separation from her mother was a great sacrifice for the 9-year-old girl, but she was determined to achieve her goal at any cost. She had to follow a strict timetable. She used to go to bed at 8 p.m., but the other senior players used to wake her up at 11 p.m. and order her to clean the room. It made her more determined and stronger. She was never depressed with whatever she was having. She was never depressed with whatever her seniors were doing with her. But she was getting more determined towards her goal. It was her strong determination and hard work that put her on the top of the world. Maria spent her prime time in USC, but she's proud of being a Russian. She's teenage sensation. She takes interest in fashion, singing, and dancing as well. She loves reading novels of Arthur Conan Doyle. Become number one in the world is a dream that keeps her going on. Her parents also encouraged her, especially the father. Her father always encouraged her. He was always with her by the side of Maria. That was the actual basic strength of Maria. So she achieved the goals she has thought for herself. This was the chapter Reach for the Top. Question answers will be given to you afterwards. Thank you.